Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and today we're going to make over one of those Dollar Tree snowflakes. So I had one of the wooden Dollar Tree snowflakes. I'm going to pull the hanger off of that, and I'm going to paint just the little edges with some white paint. And I do this in case I mess up cutting on the scrapbook paper, that you won't see the plain wood coming through. You'll see the white paint, and it kind of just blends better. So I'm just going to do all the little snowflake edges. And I'm just using some white acrylic paint, nothing fancy, doesn't have to look amazing, don't have to coat it twice, just a quick coat. So once I have that all done, I'm going to lay it on this beautiful scrapbook paper that I got at Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to trace it out with a pencil. I want to make sure that I have it centered right in the scrapbook paper because it is a very tight fit. Once I have that all traced out, I'm going to start cutting it out. And let me tell you that I'm not even going to lie, this was a very tedious cutting out. And I would have done like the burn method or something, but this scrapbook paper is really thick and it's absolutely stunning. So I'm going to grab some Mod Podge now that I have it all cut out, which like I said, that cutout process was tough, but totally worth it because this project turns out amazing. So now I'm just going to add a good coat of Mod Podge to the whole snowflake. And then I'm going to lay my scrapbook paper on top of it. In order to keep the scrapbook paper the direction that I wanted to make sure that it was, top, bottom, and that I had done it right. See the little hole in the snowflake? I just took my pencil and put that in so I would know where the top of the snowflake was and the top of the scrapbook paper so that when I laid it on, I would know which direction to lay the scrapbook paper for how I cut it out. I'm just going to lay that on, press it down with my hands, and smooth it all out. And make sure that it was all lined up perfectly before I really started to press down on it. And isn't this scrapbook paper so beautiful? I absolutely love it. It has like a shiny silver snowflakes and shiny white snowflakes and just different color grays and whites and blues. It's really gorgeous, and look how it reflects. Next, I'm going to take some picks that I got. I believe these came from like Hobby Lobby, maybe Joann's, and I'm going to start hot gluing them right to the center of my snowflake. And I just used these white ones. I think these were from Joann's. And I just laid those down, and that's going to kind of be my base. And then I had these silver picks, and I'm going to add those on. As you can see, I'm pulling out the colors of the scrapbook paper. I'm just going to hot glue those right on top of the white ones. And these all just matched so perfectly to this paper. This project is just turning out absolutely stunning. I'm going to use that little tool to hold that down. Then I made this bow out of this ribbon that I got. I think I got this at the Christmas tree shop. It's like a gray and silver snowflakes. And I just think it's so pretty, and it contrasted so well with the scrapbook paper and the greenery, or I shouldn't even say greenery, the picks that I used. And then I just took a Christmas bulb from Dollar Tree. It was like a silver glitter Christmas bulb, mini one. And I'm just going to hot glue that right to the center of my bow, and I think that just made the perfect addition to the whole thing. I just think this turned out so stunning. It's so pretty and so sparkly. Next, I'm just going to take some white ribbon that I had. It's like a sheer ribbon, and I'm going to add that as my hanger. I'm just going to pop that right through the hole at the top and then just tie it in a knot. Actually just pushed both of the pieces through, and then I slid those two tails through the top and kind of pulled it that way so that it will hang more centered. And then just tied a little knot. And then I'm going to go up and tie a knot at the top to make a little hanger. Then I'll just trim off the excess ribbon. I think this just turned out absolutely stunning. I love it. This could be used as a big ornament in your tree or be left out all season long. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.